संदीप, गुड मॉर्निंग ब्रदर, हाउ आर यू? सुमित, गुड मॉर्निंग। दीपक, गुड मॉर्निंग सुमित भाई। घनश्याम जी, गुड मॉर्निंग। घनश्याम जी, नए नए आईडी से आते हो क्या आप? कभी अलग आईडी, कभी अलग आईडी। राधे राधे। नागराज जी, गुड मॉर्निंग। मुझे बस 2 मिनट देना, लोगों को ज्वाइन होने दो, उसके बाद हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं, ठीक है? बस 2 मिनट देना और इसमें बने रहना। See, I will try to speak everything in English, so we stick in it in this group. I will try to manage everything in English only. गैप अप ओपनिंग होना चाहिए। यस, गैप अप ही हो रहा है, यहाँ पे गैप अप ओपनिंग है, बट ऑलमोस्ट फ्लैट टाइप का है, ठीक है? बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है, वो चेंज करता रहता है। ओके, सभी को गुड मॉर्निंग। राहुल जी, गुड मॉर्निंग। तो पक्का थर्ड वेव मानते हैं? ओके, अभी देखो, मैं ऐसा कुछ मान करके चल रहा हूँ, मैं बताता हूँ आपको। यहाँ पे मैं इसको ना एज ए बी सी ले रहा हूँ। कहाँ चला गया? यहाँ पे मैं इसको ए बी सी ले रहा हूँ, और इसके बाद अभी जो ऊपर भी जाने वाला है ना, मैं एक ए बी सी के कैरेक्टर में ही इसको ऊपर लेके जा रहा हूँ, और उसके बाद मैं फिर से एक फाइनल सी देखूंगा, जो कि यहाँ से ए देख रहा हूँ, फिर ऊपर यहाँ पे बी, और फिर यहाँ पे एक सी, ठीक है? ओवरऑल इस टाइप का कुछ स्ट्रक्चर आना चाहिए। ऐसा कुछ ए बी और सी करेगा, इसके अंदर ये जो ऊपर जाने वाला है, ये भी हम लोग ए बी सी के फॉर्म में ही लेके जाएंगे, और ये एक बार कंप्लीट कर देगा ना, उसके बाद हम लोग एक बार फॉल देखेंगे, जो कि सी वेव रहेगा, और ये काफ़ी फास्ट होगा। और यहाँ पे कहीं पे वो सपोर्ट लेना चाहिए। एग्जैक्ट अगर मैं पिन पॉइंट बताऊँ तो एक बार जब ये हाई लग जाएगा ना, वहाँ से हम लोग ये 61 तक देखेंगे, और ये जो एरिया रहेगा हमारा बाइंग एरिया रहेगा, ठीक है? फिर यहाँ से हम लोग एक्चुअल में देखने वाले हैं अपसाइड के लिए। ये हमारा आज का प्लान रहेगा। सो किस तरह से मार्केट करता है, ये चीज़ हमें ध्यान देना है, और उसके बाद इसके ऊपर फिर हम लोग प्लान बनाएंगे, ठीक है? और जैसे जैसे मार्केट अनफोल्ड होगा ना, वैसे वैसे हम लोग स्टेप बाय स्टेप हर चीज़ों को पकड़ेंगे। इसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, आप लोग ग्रुप में लाइव में बने रहना। वी विल डिस्कस एवरीथिंग, लाइक वी नो एवरी पैटर्न, वी नो एवरी मूवमेंट, वट एवर मार्केट विल मेक, we will try to understand and catch it, whatever it takes. Okay, रवि जी, राम राम। ये सडन नीचे क्यों आया है ब्रो? ऊपर का ही प्लान है तो ब्रो, यू कैन सी दिस इज द ABC। इन ABC इरेगुलर सी, जब भी मार्केट यहाँ पे सी बनाता है, मार्केट सडन फास्ट मूव ही देता है, तो इरेगुलर सी हमेशा ऐसा ही होता है। So this is the nature of C wave. So you can see the market will go up and try to trap everyone, so that market will go down for the liquidity. Once liquidity done and the retest of this area done, market will try to go more up. Irregular, yes, irregular will be for the downside only or upside only. Whatever C will be, it will be destructive and very fast in nature, but it's buying opportunity. Yes, yes, Ghanshyam ji, this is the buying opportunity. रिलायंस का व्यू देखते हैं बाद में. ओके ओके, आई विल सी एंड आई विल कंफर्म यू. ओके. See, as I discussed this will be the structure for today. Okay. Let me just confirm this on my group. Then I am free to talk to everyone. Okay. Just give me 2 minutes. So we are here for discuss everything. Okay. Okay. I am now I am free to talk. Just see this, why I mark this. This was my bottom. Okay. This was my bottom because I can see that this is the ABC structure. At this point, you can see this is my ABC structure, which confirm that this is the area which is reversal for this point. Okay. So this fall is confirmed at this point that it will reverse. So I can see clearly that market took the support at currently whatever I marked, and then you can see the reversal happen. So this reversal or this bottom is confirmed for me for short term. Okay. For this structure, at this structure I am seeing that market will go for the upside, which is ABC, and this is the bottom for it, and it will go from at this point. Okay. So at current level you can see the market is creating the ABC, so I can consider it as A. So this is my A, which I can mark and highlight. This is my A, and then again market will go up for the B, and then it will come for the C. After the C complete, I will see the market going for the more high, which is like 3. I will take it as like this. This will be my 1. Here I will complete my 2, and then I will see 3, 4, and then 5, like this. Like this move is going to be happen. So we are waiting for it. Okay. So we are waiting for it. When I will confirm this up move, this see, we don't know that this up move is compulsory and going to be happen. Okay. But we will wait for this A. Once this A will be done and market will come for this B, at this point we will try to catch it. Okay. We will catch it at this point, and then we will go for the up move for the C. For this area as a breakout, this area breakout is very important. Okay. This line, you can mark this in your chart, 25,640 level. 25,640 level mark in your chart. So after this breakout, this up move is confirmed. Okay, so we will wait for the breakout, and then we will wait for the retest. After this retest, we will go for the higher move for the positional. This can be also positional view. Okay, this is the intraday view, that market will complete this and this. After that, market will come down for the retest, and then this from at this start, which I marked with the box. With this box, you can take it as a positional view, and you can go for the higher target. Okay, like this we are going to trade, and this structure we are going to unfold. But if something happens or something change in the structure, we will try to catch it, and we will try to understand it. Okay, in my way. I don't know how you used to analyze the market, how you used to figure out the direction of the market, but this is the my way how I used to do. So we are waiting for this A to confirm, and then small fall for the B, and after this B we are ready to buy. Okay, you can also buy at this point. See, people who love the risk and who want to take a risk at this point, they can also go for it with this as a stop loss. But I can also go with this because this is not a big deal. But this fall before the breakout came, so I don't know that exactly this is 1 or not. Maybe this can be 4, and then market will go for the more downside, which will be 5. So this is not confirmed because breakout is still pending, which I am expecting that this circle need to be break. Once this circle will be break, then I am ready to go with it. But with this fall, this is not confirmed that market is ready to go for the upside. So we don't have any confirmation. So I don't want to trade at this point, but I will trade at this point. This is B, and I will catch it at this point with this as a stop loss, this or this as a stop loss, and go for the C as a target. Okay, I hope everyone confirm my point and understand what I anticipating and what I want you to understand. If anyone who speak Hindi, they are not understanding my points, they can ask me, I will explain them in Hindi. But major or maximum of my people are speaking English, so I am trying to speak English. See, because of this, I was not expecting this to go directly for the upside. I am waiting because I don't know that this is the exactly 1 or this can be 4. Hi Deepak, good morning. Good morning Milton. How are you? Hindi. Okay brother. Yes, understood. देखिए मैं यहाँ पे इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ, देखो ये जो पॉइंट है यहाँ पे डायरेक्टली हम लोग इसलिए नहीं जाना चाहते क्योंकि हमें अभी नहीं पता कि ये मार्केट ने 1 ही बनाया है कि नहीं। अगर मार्केट ने 1 बनाता तो ये जो पॉइंट है ना, ये ब्रेक नहीं होना चाहिए, ये हमारा सेफ रहना चाहिए, तो ये हम लोग 1 मान करके चलेंगे, वरना ये जो पॉइंट है हमारा चेंज होके 5 बन जाएगा। ठीक है, इसको हम लोग 5 मान करके 4 मान करके चलेंगे, फिर नीचे की तरफ मार्केट 5 आएगा और ये सेम स्ट्रक्चर मैंने जो बनाया है ये नीचे से रिक्रिएट होगा। ठीक है, ये ऐसे करके मैं आपको स्ट्रक्चर एग्जैक्टली बताता हूं कि क्या होगा। यहाँ पे देखेंगे, इसको 1 मान के चला जाएगा, इसको 2, फिर ये जो रहेगा पूरा 3 रहेगा, और फिर यहाँ पे कहीं पे 4 कंप्लीट होगा और फिर ये 5 होगा। ठीक है, 5 होने के बाद में ये सेम स्ट्रक्चर जो यहाँ पे मैं अभी रिक्रिएट कर रहा हूँ, मतलब मार्केट ने एक बेस बनाने का ट्राई किया है, ये मार्केट सेम यहाँ से बेस बनाएगा और फिर यहाँ से 1 2 3 4 5 बना के ऊपर की तरफ जाएगा। क्योंकि ये ए बी सी की तरफ आ रहा है, मतलब ए बी सी, तो सी के अंदर 1 2 3 4 5 होता है, इसीलिए हम लोग 1 2 3 4 5 की काउंटिंग कर रहे हैं। बट 1 2 3 4 5 की काउंटिंग करने के लिए हमें ये वाला लेवल, ठीक है, 25,640 का लेवल ब्रेक करना बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है। मार्केट अगर इस लेवल को ब्रेक करता है तो ये कंफर्म हो जाएगा कि मार्केट ने यहाँ पे कंप्लीट कर दिया अपना पैटर्न, उसके बाद ही हम लोग अपसाइड के लिए जा सकते हैं। इसलिए कल मैंने अपने ग्रुप में भी अपडेट किया था कि कोई भी चीज़ों को होल्ड करके मत लेके जाना, और हम लोग इसको कल देखेंगे फ्रेशली, क्योंकि अगर यहाँ पे ब्रेकआउट कल के दिन हो भी जाता तो हम लोग ये रीटेस्ट का वेट करके फिर बाई करके चलते। बट ओवरऑल सिनारियो ऐसा है कि आपको समझ के काम करने की जरूरत है। यहाँ पे आपके इमोशंस के साथ में काम करने का कोई मतलब नहीं है, ठीक है। सो हमारे पास कुछ पॉइंट्स है जिसको हम लोग नोट करेंगे, बट ट्रेड उसी पे करेंगे जब हमें एक कन्विक्शन मिले। अग्रेसिव लोग बहुत ज़्यादा कहीं कहीं पे ऐसा हो जाएंगे कि हाँ चलो ट्रेड बन गया, हम लोग एंट्री कर जाते हैं, बट वो पॉइंट जो है जिस पे आप एंट्री करना चाहते हो उसका कोई बेस नहीं है। Many people will think that this fall is coming and we are missing the downside trade. We are not missing anything. We are just waiting, and we are waiting for our plan to execute. If market is going exactly what I want, what we want, then we will trade. Otherwise, we will just avoid the trades. We don't want to trade every day. We just want to follow our setup, and we want to follow our risk management. If my conviction will be high for any side or any trade, I will be there to trade. But if my conviction is not strong for any trade, I will just keep it avoid. Okay, see, I am just deleting this points because I can clearly see that market has made a very short bottom. So probably, most probably, that market will just break this. So I am avoiding this, and let me update in my group. So I can clearly confirm this. This is not 1 2 3 4 5. So I am changing my structure because market made a fresh low. So I can see this fall is very fast. So let's project the limits of the 5. Okay, let's project the limit of fifth wave. Let me just delete these points, and this C is still going down. This is not ended, and here we will end up with our B, and let's project this limit of fifth wave. Okay, so at minimum point, it came at minimum point, so we can consider it as minimum, and after this minimum we can see the rise in a market anytime, but we don't know where it will start rising. Okay, so very simple points that I want to consider at this point. This, from this high to this low, whatever market will make a low, I will just calculate it and just wait for this to confirm at about 38. If market will start going about 38, then I will just confirm it as a breakout and confirm my C at this level. Okay, but we don't know that market will turn at this point or not, so simply just waiting and calculating for the 38% to break. After that we will go for the upside. Okay, so this is the range probably that where market will try to take support, but we don't exactly know that market will take support at this point or not. it can also has chance that market will go for the 100%, which is maximum of the 5. Okay, this is the maximum point for the fifth wave. So this is the maximum move for the downside at current level. So let's wait and see how market is doing. See, this is good move, this is fast move, but we don't know that exactly the market is what is trying to do. Many of you that having a view for the downside, they can go for it, but I don't have view for the downside, so I don't want to trade this. I want to trade this because this is the last leg of this and minimum target also done. So I will just simply avoid this trade and market will keep on falling whatever it wants, but I will go for this reversal. So just waiting for it. Okay, my plan is very simple, but I can anticipate that market will try to touch this 400 level, because on the normal note that market is always try to go for the 61% for the fifth wave, which is a normal range. Okay, this is the minimum range, but this is the normal range. So market probably try to go for this, but we don't know, or we never know that market will come to this point or not. So we can simply wait and see the market how it's going. Plan I discuss with you, and when I will go for the upside, I will go above this 38%. Okay, above this 38% only I will ready to move for the upside. Till that I will just simply wait and watch. Okay, uh 38% need to be green, 61% need to be okay. Hope no one is in any trade. Maybe for the downside, yes, but don't go for the upside right now, because this is not a good setup for right now to trade anything. And let's discuss what I want to trade. Okay, what I want to trade, let's see. I want to go with the hedge positions, not naked. So I will go for the call, bull call spread, which is for the next expiry, and at current price market is at 500 level, so I will select the 500 and here for the 700 C. So I will go for this trade if market will confirm the bottom. So this is my risk and reward per lot, 5,000 for the risk and 7,000 for the reward, but I will minimize it and make it 1200 to 1500 maximum loss, and I will consider this point as my profit. Okay, I will not take as for 7,000 as a profit, but I will consider like 4 to 5,000 as a profit for the 1:3 risk to reward ratio. Okay, so I will not go for this for right now, but just wait for it. The opportunity will come after this 38% break, and then we will go for the upside. At this current point, we don't know that market will consider this as a reversal or not, but I will simply wait for this 38 to break, and if we will go for the more dip in a chart, then I will confirm this is the 2. Okay, this is the 2 in the 1 minute time frame. So small fall is ready to come again. Like this is the 3, it's going 3, and then again market will come for the 5, and then like this. So this kind of structure is going to be happen. So you can wait for this, and then probably we will wait for the reversal. At this point market will fall more, and then only some changes will happen. See, many people are in a hurry to take a trade for any side. They don't understand, or they don't think that market, how it's market going, and how they need to plan their trades. They just simply want to trade whatever it's take. Like market is going downside for now, they are ready to take trade for the downside. Once market will they will take trade, and market will start going upside, they just be bearish. They will not be like that market structure change or something happens, stop loss hit, I will take exit, and then we will take re-entry. They will don't they don't think like that. Trading is like planning something. They just take it as a gambling, and they used to just simply take trade for any side, not in a hurry waiting for your confirmation. Yes, bro, you are from my group, so you know better that we always wait for confirmation. So that this is best that you are waiting for it. See, this is the third wave. So just simply I can take it as third, and the 61 is probably our reversal. Okay, 38 market touched already, so 38 to 61 is probably the third wave projection limit. And once this will break, then 200 level to 211 level is my projection limit for the third wave, and then we will see 4, and then again for the 5. Like this it's going to be happen. See, possibility are also there that this is 1 2 3 4, and this is the 5. But see, we are not trading for the upside without our confirmation. So we are just seeing that this fall is very fast and sharp, so we are taking this as a 3 and 4, and still waiting that market will make 3 then 4, like this. Okay, just a simple plan, nothing else. In the morning itself I confirm that this, we are not confirming that this market will go upside, because we don't have confirmation. Breakout was very important, and yesterday on threads also I mentioned that our breakout is still pending, so we are waiting for it. Once it will break, then we will go for it. But at current level you can see we confirm that this fall is ready to go, and we are waiting and watching this fall to happen. After this we will go for the upside. See, many of you are option buyers, so option buyer always try to catch this kind of opportunities, which is better, but always take a small profit as a option buyer, because you never know that when market will suddenly change its direction, and you will start facing losses, because once decay will be happen, and then you will start making losses in your profitable trades also. I decided that I will go live on every expiry of Nifty. Okay, on every expiry of Nifty I will try to connect with every person publicly, so they will also get benefit or get the knowledge or try to plan their trades as we do. Okay, this is for the one day only for the week. Okay, once a week we will do live for public at 4 day for the members, premium members. We will simply take at this point to this point, whatever market will make a low, we will just take it for a confirmation as a 38% as a breakout. Okay, whenever the breakout will be happen, we will consider is as a reversal point. देखो कल के दिन में थ्रेड्स पे मेरे पास कुछ लोगों ने अपना भी चार्ट भेजा था, उन लोगों ने बोला था कि मार्केट एक बार नीचे जाएगा उसके बाद ऊपर जाएगा। ठीक है, मार्केट एक बार नीचे जाएगा, यहाँ से लिक्विडिटी लेगा, उसके बाद मार्केट ऊपर की तरफ जाएगा। बट एक चीज सभी को नहीं पता है, मेरे को नहीं पता है कि वो लोग किस तरह से मतलब उन्होंने चार्ट देख के उन्होंने बोला है। बट ये थोड़ा है ना अलग, हम लोग जो भी करते हैं ना उसके पीछे एक बहुत ही लॉजिक होता है, बहुत ही एक सिंपल रूल होता है जो भी हम लोग करते हैं। तो उस बिना रूल के हम लोग नहीं करते हैं, अगर रूल के खिलाफ हम लोग कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, तो बहुत ज़्यादा दिक्कत होती है। दिक्कत इन द सेंस क्या होती है कि लॉन्ग टर्म में जो होता है हमको उसके कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस फेस करने पड़ते हैं। हम लोग जो भी काम करते हैं शॉर्ट टर्म के लिए नहीं करते हैं, लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए करते हैं कि लॉन्ग टर्म में हमको क्या हो कि एक अच्छा ट्रेड्स मिले और लॉन्ग टर्म में हमारी जो जर्नी रहे वो ग्रीन में रहे, ठीक है, ना कि लॉस में रहे। अब यहाँ पे रिवर्सल का प्लान भी देखो, कल हम लोग ने ना लाइव में ये चीज़ हमने डिस्कस किया था कि अगर मार्केट इसके नीचे जाता है तो हमारा कोई चेंज नहीं आएगा, बस हम लोग क्या करेंगे इस बी को नीचे और शिफ्ट करेंगे। मैंने अभी आपको बताया ना ये बी यहाँ तक भी आ सकता है, यहाँ तक भी आ सकता है, लेकिन उसके बाद ये फिर से जाएगा ऊपर की तरफ। फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ ये ABC कैसा होता है। यहाँ पे मैंने कल सभी लोग को एग्जाम्पल दे करके बताया था। यहाँ पे देखो आप, ये ABC है, ठीक है, आप देखो ये A, B और C है, यहाँ पे मैंने इसका पॉइंट मार्क किया है, तो ये B इसके ऊपर गया है, इसने यहाँ से लिक्विडिटी खाई है, उसके बाद इतना बड़ा फॉल आया है। तो ये सेम स्ट्रक्चर था, जब तक हम लोग क्या करते हैं इसको एज ए स्टॉप लॉस मान करके चलते हैं, जब ये ब्रेक हो जाता है तो हम लोग इसको इरेगुलर मान करके चलते हैं। अब आप देखो इसके नीचे आ गया मार्केट, मतलब ये इरेगुलर हो गया। इरेगुलर होने के बाद में हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, यहाँ से फिर से C की तरफ अपसाइड के ले जा रहे हैं। ये भी वही स्ट्रक्चर है और ये भी वही स्ट्रक्चर है, कोई चेंजेस नहीं है। देखो कैसा डिस्ट्रक्टिव है, कैसा फास्ट है, ये सेम इसी तरह से अपसाइड जाएगा, बट टाइम लेता है वो, ठीक है, ट्रैप करता है, जितने ज़्यादा लो हो सके वो ट्रैप करता है। तो स्ट्रक्चर हमें पहले से पता चल जाता है कि किस तरह से होने वाला है, लेकिन उसके लिए जो प्लान होता है ना, वो प्लान जो होता है वो प्लान बनाना पड़ता है, तभी आप उस मूव को कैप्चर कर सकते हो। इफ यू आर नॉट मेकिंग एनी प्लान फॉर योर ट्रेड फॉर एनी साइड, then probably you will not survive for the long term. See, after getting too much confirmation, after getting with too much conclusion in my strategy and everything, but still I used to trade with the hedge positions. I don't know that market suddenly when market will turn around on me and when I will face the losses. So I want to protect my capital on any cost. So I always choose to make a trade with my hedge positions only. This is just for the long term sustainability. Okay, if this is the short term gain, then I am in a I am in a hurry like to buy anything with 1 lakh or 2 lakh capital with a naked position. But I know that this is very risky to take a trade with a naked position. That's why I used to avoid, because I don't have a very huge amount to trade with. Many of you have, but I have my limited capital which I want to grow for the longer run. I don't want short term profits, I want long term gains. This is the actual value of trading like with plans, and whatever you are planning, that you will take a trade at this point, then take an exit at this point. This is what very important to do. If you are not planning your trades and just simply taking random trades at call or put, then in a longer run you will simply make a loss. इन्वेस्टमेंट अच्छा आइडिया है ना फिर लॉन्ग टर्म गेन्स के लिए. सी मैं आपकी बात से सहमत हूँ, ठीक है, कि आप लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए जा सकते हो. मेरा ऐसा मानना है, मेरा जो कैपिटल है मैंने किस तरह से उसको डिवाइड करके रखा है. 90% ऑफ माई कैपिटल गो फॉर द इन्वेस्टमेंट ओनली. ओके, 10% of my capital I used to take a trade with the hedge positions. So I can also develop my skill with my charts and whatever I do for the regular basis. If you're converted to the long term investment, then you will stop seeing the charts and you will stop upskilling your knowledge. Okay, because you know that you invested already with your full amount. So you will not watch your charts daily and you will not go for the like anything. But what I am doing, I am upskilling my knowledge also with my 10% of capital, and I will invest, and I am invested with my rest of the amount. So like this. So partially I am a swing trader, and initially whatever I do for the intraday. This is my actual profile. In that long term investment, I go with the gold, silver, which is a commodity also, and with the stocks also. And before I used to do SIP also, but I see SIP as a scam, so I just avoided the SIP. So I do just for the long term investment. थैंक यू ब्रदर, थैंक यू. मैं आपको एक चीज बताता हूँ, जैसे कि एक शॉर्ट टर्म क्या होता है, जैसे जिसके पास कोई प्लान नहीं है, ठीक है, आज आपके पास समझ लो 1 करोड़ रुपए, ठीक है. अब 1 करोड़ रुपए में से इफ यू हैव 1 करोड़ रुपीज, इफ यू मेक अ लॉस ऑफ एनी लाइक 5 लाख रुपीज, ओके, 5 lakh is not a very huge amount for people who have 1 crore rupees. Okay, so once they will lose their 5 lakh rupees, they try to recover their 5 lakh. They don't go for the setup. They will not go for the like their risk management, whatever they did before while starting. ठीक है, जब वो लोग ने स्टार्ट करने का सोचा था, तब वो लोग सोच रहे थे 1 करोड़ से मैं बहुत अच्छे से ट्रेड करूंगा, सब कुछ करूंगा और इसको ग्रो करूंगा. बट जैसे ही उनका पहला ट्रेड गलत जाता है और 5 लाख का लॉस होता है, तभी वो क्या हो जाते हैं, कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं, अग्रेसिव हो जाते हैं मार्केट को लेके. वो लोग सोचते हैं कि जो 5 लाख मार्केट ने हमसे लिए है ना, ये 5 लाख मेरे को कैसे भी करके वापस चाहिए. अब वो 5 के चक्कर में मार्केट उनसे 5 और ले लेता है। अब जब उनका 10 गया तो मतलब 10% गया, वो और ज्यादा अग्रेसिव हो जाते हैं। अब इनका गेम है यहाँ एक्चुअल में यहाँ से शुरू होता है। अब वो रिकवरी मोड में है। अब वो लोग ऐसा प्लान को कोई फॉलो नहीं कर रहे, वो लोग ऐसा नहीं सोच रहे कि जब सेटअप बनेगा तभी करेंगे। वो लोग सोचते हैं कि यहाँ पे 10 पॉइंट ले लेता हूँ और ये 10 पॉइंट में अगर मैंने 90 लाख लगा दिए तो मेरे 10 लाख या 9 लाख रुपए रिकवर हो जाएंगे। बट वहां पे मार्केट फिर गेम खेलता है उनके पोजीशन साइजिंग के हिसाब से। अब उनका अगर 10 पॉइंट भी नीचे आ रहा है ना तो उनको 10 लाख का लॉस हो रहा है, तो उनकी फट रही है। एक्चुअल में यहाँ पे लोग लॉस करना शुरू करते हैं। तो मैंने एग्जांपल दिया 1 करोड़ रुपीस का, बट ओवरऑल आप समझ सकते हो हर कैपिटल का ये हाल है, क्योंकि उनके पास जो भी कैपिटल है वो उनके लिए काफी बड़ा अमाउंट है। तो आपको वो 100% आपको कैपिटल को इन्वेस्ट करना ही क्यों है ऑप्शंस में। if you know that market is risky, if you know that market is like a trap and 90% or 95% of the people will lose money in the market, so just simply avoid the investing 100%. Just take a trade with 10% of the capital with the hedge positions, so your risk will be like very small, like in that 10 lakh rupees, which is 10% of your capital. If you are doing hedge with that, then you are taking like 12,000 to 15,000 or maximum 20,000 as a per day as a loss. Then also you are getting a very huge difference, and you will make a huge change in the market. So this is very important that every person need to understand that like this you need to take your capital. Don't go for the aggressive, for the short term gain that you will make money and then you will be a king of the world. Then nothing is going to happen. You will just end up with making losses. See, this is the structure how market is unfolding. This is the point where we need to wait and watch that market will come and touch and then will go downside again, okay, which is fine. We are anticipating that market will touch this level because this is my 61% of level. At most of the time market come to this point and touch this and then go for the upside. This is the most probable of the time, okay. It's not about that today it's going to happen, but if something change in the structure that market will start going upside for the reversal, I will just confirm that this is the bottom, okay. Just need to wait for it. We are not in any trade. We will just we are just waiting for the market to confirm our levels so that we can trade with our plan, okay. The 61% is important to break. Sir, 61 from percent from which point? Bro, let me explain you that I always take my Fibonacci as a 38 or 61%. Whatever side it will come, these points are my matching points, okay. You can see this 50% as a center point, okay. This point is center point, and this 61 and this both are at same point from the 50, okay. The space between 61 and 38 is similar, okay, nothing changed. And the 70% and 30% is similar from 50%, and 76 and 23.60 is similar with 50. So my upside and downside both values are same. If I take it like this or like this, I will just simply wait for my levels, okay. At downside also you can see that how what I make above 100%, 123%, 138% and 161%, which is 23, 38, 30 and 38, which is similar. Okay, nothing changed. This 61 is 161. Is this 200 is 100. Okay, so everything is similar in my projections. This is with my rules. Okay, this is not random. This is with my rules, which I made for the Elliott wave theories. See, at this point I can see that 4 may be confirm at this point. This is the 4 and market is coming for the 5. Okay, or we can also anticipate it at market. Okay, this point. Market can also go up and touch this point, and then 4 will be end up and this, like this. Manjunath ji, did you understand my point of Fibonacci? See, why I took this as 4, I don't know, but normally market will do like something like this, that this is A and this was fast, so market directly coming up again, so I can consider this as irregular, and then this will be C. So irregular A, B, C, and then market will start falling again. If this is the running, then market can directly go at from this point, but we will take it as ABC only. Okay, if market going down at this point also, then also we will take it as ABC, and we will confirm that 4 is at this point. Okay, like this we are mapping the structure. Sir, please show it on 61% on the wave. 61% on the wave. See, normally we don't have exact rule for the 61% on the wave, but we try to connect the areas. Always we go for the area. We don't go for the strict one point. For the 100% only we are taking as a strict point. Otherwise everything is like 61% or 50% or 38%. These are not a strict to the wave. Okay, that exactly at this point only that market will come and then go. We are taking as an area. Okay, so like at this point, that from at this point to this point I marked, and I taken this 61. See, this is the 61%, and I mark this 61 to 70% as an area. I'm not taking at exactly this 61, but this 61% will be break. Then we will see that something can be changed in the structure. Okay, it's a start of changing the structure. Hope you got my points. See, so this is my overall point, that market will come to this point, then we will see for the reversal for the upside. But still, this is not confirmed, so we are just waiting that market will confirm the structure or change in structure, then we will go for the upside. So I deleted this point, but need to highlight it again. So if something changing, then I can confirm this has made the bottom. Okay. Let me mark this again, that this is 1 2 3 and this is 4 and this is 5. 4 is confirmed at this point, because yeah, this is the 76% which market touched, so 4 is confirmed at this point. So we are taking this as 4, and then again market can move for the downside, which is last leg. Okay, this is the last leg. This move will be last leg for the downside, and then we will go for the upside. We are looking and anticipating that market will go for the upside at this point. Or second option, that if market will break this level, then market will go for the upside, which can be like this also. Okay, like this, like this, like this. This is the two kind of structure change, or we can consider it as like reversal points. If market is coming for the lower level, then this is the last leg. Okay, after this last leg, we will take this as for the up move. We will plan for the up move. दीपक सर, आप डेली आते हैं क्या लाइव? नवल जी, मैं डेली नहीं आता हूं, बट वीक में एक बार आया करूंगा. ठीक है, आया करूंगा तो मैं अपडेट कर दूंगा. और मैं डेली लाइव आता हूं सिर्फ प्रीमियम ग्रुप वालों के लिए, तो वहां पे डेली लाइव होता है. बट पब्लिकली मैं एक दिन लाइव आया करूंगा. ठीक है, डेली लाइव मैं नहीं कर सकता, क्योंकि ग्रुप्स की वजह से. ग्रुप में जो लोग ज्वाइन है उनका एक डिफरेंशिएट होना चाहिए बाकी लोगों से, क्योंकि उन्होंने पे किया हुआ है, वो ग्रुप में है और उनको बहुत सारे अपडेट्स जा रहे हैं, तो वो डिफरेंशिएट करने के लिए फ्री की चीज़ें और ग्रुप की चीज़ें थोड़ी चेंज करके रखनी पड़ती है. ज़्यादा फैसिलिटी मिलने के लिए कुछ चेंज है, बस, और कुछ नहीं. I come live for my premium groups every day. Okay, daily lives. कल के दिन भी देखो इस बॉटम से हम लोग कितने देर तक हम लोग ने पेशेंस किया, उसके बाद में हमको अप मूव मिला और यहाँ पे हम लोग ने कहीं पे अपना प्रॉफिट बुक किया। ग्रुप में मेंशन किया था कि यहाँ से आपको प्रॉफिट बुक कर लेना है, कल के दिन में हम लोग फ्रेशली देखेंगे, नथिंग टू होल्ड। See, very soon that we will get a very good setup at this point at lower levels, because market will turn this point for sure, but just waiting for it that it will confirm its bottom, then we will go for the upside, which is jackpots according to me. Okay, this is not a small move, it will be like a jackpot for us, so just waiting for it. And very important to know, don't take a trade for the expiry. Don't take it on same expiry, just take in a practical way and go with the next expiry, because you don't know that when we are going to fail. If we are failing, we need to minimize our losses. Keep it simple, keep it practical. I need to add this I need to add this for my trades, like 500. This 500 is good to take. Say I plan my trades, but waiting to execute it. Can we enter short here? Bro, don't go for the sorting, because if you are sorting at this point, this is very small move. Okay, you never know that this is 4 or 5, maybe this is 3 and this is 4 and 5 ended at here. We are waiting for this to break out. If breakout happens, then we will take entry on the retest for the upside. This is our simple plan. We don't know that market made a 3 or 4 at this point and go for the more. If going more down, then we will simply wait for the bottom to create at this point and then we will go for the upside. So plan is simple, just need to have patience to executing your trades. Don't be in a hurry to punch it. See, exactly, if I tell you that market can go for the breakout at this point, if breakout confirms, then we can wait for the small dip. Okay, here we can take our trade at this point exactly. At this point we will take our trade. If markets going down like this is 4 and again going for the down for the 5 and then started making any small base. Okay, so like that, at this point we can go for the upside like this. Then this reversal will work very well, and you buy this at bottom with lower level as a stop loss, and you need to wait at this point for any candle to confirm you for the going upside. This is the simple plan. Because no trade is also the best trade. Yes, brother, if you are not taking any trade, if your setup is not happen, then this is the best setup, because you waited for your setup to form. You did not go with the flow that other people are doing. Because if you are punching a trade, then you don't know the reason behind your trade, you will end up with losing your money in the market. But if you know your plans, that when you are going to trade and when you will take exit, and you are following something like system, then it's very good to go with the like long-term sustainability. Always, if anyone join my group, I always send them one paragraph that what I used to feel for the trades. I explain them, so before joining they can know that how we are doing. We are not getting it for the one day. Like, I am not making money for the one day, I am going for the long term. But at the end, this is their choice, that how they wants to trade, so they will do like that only. But my side, I used to explain them, then this is the logic and this is the way which I used to do with my peoples. See, many things, ups and downs in the market happens. We know the every change. Okay, we know that when market will take a change, we know everything, like market when it will turn and make us loss. But we don't go for every trades like this. You can see I mark this, that market will go at this point, then I know this where I can put my stop loss. Okay, I can know that if I am taking this trade, and then this is my simple stop loss at this point, and I will go for the downside target. But I am not taking trade at this point, because this is my not high conviction trade. Okay, I want to take a trade on the high conviction. Bro, do something also for the swing trade if possible. See, at initial point, like I am doing many things. Okay, I am doing many things like forex, handling my every social media for myself only. I am not having any manager to manage it, because I know that if anyone will manage it, he will not manage as I done. So I don't know that how it's going to happen, but I am doing many things, so I am not able to manage everything. That's why many people ask me to start mentorship batch, start teaching it. But I choose that I will not teach. But at some point I accepted it, that in a premium group, many people will facing the problem because of feelings. They don't know exactly that if I am updating anything like charts, so something error will come once market will take a structural change. If I am live and I am seeing that this is happening, I can explain them and they can know it at a tick point. just a 10 point delay in a live, they can know everything whatever market is doing. So this is the best thing I can give my premium groups. So that's why I choose to do the live. Otherwise I will avoid this also. But for swing trades I need more time, because I am using to take my swing trades. But if I am updating it, then many people will send their post also that please do this Reliance chart, please do this HDFC, bro, please do this, please do this. Then it will take more time for me to reply them or do their analysis, do their chart, because I can't simply uh, tell no to anyone. Because if I am telling no to everyone, everyone will start hating me, because I am not analyzing their charts. So this is the very basic and very common problem I can face while posting the swing trades. So that's why I used to avoid. I will do for myself whatever I am doing. Maybe later I will do, but at current stage, let me take a more time, because everything will be step by step. अगर एक चीज की मेरे को आदत लग चुकी है और वो उसको मैं टाइम मैनेजमेंट में अपने फिक्स कर पा रहा हूँ, तो मैं आगे जाके और भी कुछ ऐड कर पाऊंगा जिसको मैं फिर से अपने टाइम में मैनेज कर लूंगा. बट एकदम से सारी चीजें करना एक ही टाइम पे, वो चीजें मेरे लिए हार्ड है और वो चीजें मेरे लिए करना थोड़ा पॉसिबल नहीं है. मैंने कई बार बीच में चालू भी किया कि मैं स्विंग ट्रेड्स पोस्ट करूंगा, बट उसका कोइंसिक्वेंसेस मुझे ही पता है. पर्सनल में जो मैसेजेस आते हैं ना कि भाई प्लीज इसका एनालिसिस शेयर कर दो, इसका एनालिसिस भाई प्लीज यार कर दो यार, ये वो, मतलब 4 से 5 बार एक ही बंदे का मैसेज आ जाता है. फोन बज बज के मैं परेशान हो जाता हूँ, तो इसकी वजह से वो भी बंद करना पड़ता है. होप कि सब लोग समझते हैं इस चीज को, क्योंकि मेरे पास भी एक लिमिटेड टाइम है जिसमें मैं सब कुछ करना चाहता हूँ. लाइफ भी मैनेज करना चाहता हूँ, फैमिली मैनेज करना चाहता हूँ, अपने काम को भी मैनेज करना चाहता हूँ. बट एकदम से सारी चीज़ें सिर्फ काम के ऊपर आके नहीं रुक सकती कि सिर्फ काम ही इम्पोर्टेंट है, उसके अलावा बहुत सारी चीज़ें इम्पोर्टेंट है. Okay, like market is going for the upside. Maybe it will break this, but we need to wait for this to break. After breaking, we will go with the retest. Okay, just a simple trade. 24,450 support on OI. Jimmy Jan Bokra. Okay, this is level. Okay, maybe this is according to OI, or you can consider this as a liquidity. Okay, this is the points where market is trying to take liquidity. So market came for the liquidity points and made the this correction as a irregular. Okay, this correction as a irregular, as a B and C irregular correction. After that market is trying to reverse. So point for going the upside, this is the reversal kind of trade, but we can wait for the small. See if hoping for this to confirm. This is the 4 and 5. Okay, 38 is still not break, so just need to break this as 38. Yes, I know you are a Sachin. I know your Instagram. I know my people who ever join me. I know you are from Surat. You are from what we can say, Arajan. You are from Arajan. Am I right or not? You are from Arajan, Surat. If you not tell me you are Sachin or not, I know that you are Sachin. Maybe my chart is too much messy. Just wait for it. I will confirm whatever it will do. Let me confirm my points. Let me first delete this because don't know that this will be going to happen or not, but just waiting for the breakouts. After this 38% of breakout, maybe this will be confirmed for the upside, because this is 4. We are taking from the 2 point to 3 points as a reversal. Thank you. Memory is so good. Actually, my wife says that my memory is not good. I always forget whatever she said me. But you are telling my memory is good. So I can confirm that this is the fifth wave which is market doing at this point. This is our 4 and this is our 5. Okay. Well, is very simple with logic. I explained this, that this is the 1 2 3 4 5 and this was our last leg. Okay, so if this is the irregular, then only market can go up one more down again and then go up. But if this is simple with impulse move, then this is finished and we can see for the breakouts right now. Yes, bro. Seriously, like my wife, whatever she said me, and she asked me after like 3 to 4 months or after 2 days also. I used to forget then when you said this and when we gone there, whatever it is, I always forget. But for the market, I remember many things, because regarding market or regarding people's whoever joined me or comment me or communicated with me, I remember them always. Wife is always right. Yes. We need to accept this at one point. Every man will understand this point at one moment after marriage. So still we did not made any trade for any side. We are just waiting for this that breakout will confirm, and then we will go for the retest, small retest, and then we will go for the upside. This is our best setup to execute for today for the intraday. And for intraday, what target we can expect, that also I can tell you, because we are just replicating yesterday's trade. Nothing changes. We done this yesterday only with the same way, and market performed the same way, and today also the same day, and it's going right now well, but we need to wait. Okay, we need to wait because of confirmation. See, this is the 38% for which we will target today. This is the target for today, which is 61 600 level. Okay, this is our make or break level, that we don't know that market made this as 4 or not. Maybe market made A, B and C, and then again go for the downside, which is till that. So we are always flexible for our entries, that we will take a trade at this point, but at this point we are entering, then we will make a target or this point only, like this will be our setup, or this point as a setup. Here we will have our stop loss 50 points on the spot price, and then we will go for the upside 120 points. Still we will wait like at this point, then this will be happen. We need breakout. If breakout not happen, then we will just simply avoid it. Okay, nothing to chase, just follow the price. If market again going down, then we made this simple, that we will just do this. Okay, we will just do this 1 2 3 4 5, which is irregular. Okay, this point is irregular. We can say irregular, or we can say like ending diagonal. Okay, ending diagonal pattern. But till once this will break, we will confirm this point as like this. Simple. We are flexible for our analysis. Hope everyone are clear to their points, when they need to trade, when they need to avoid.
સમાપ્ત થાય છે અવૃત સેવાઓનો આનંદ માણવા માટે તાત્કાલિક રિચાર્જ કરો आपके प्लान की वैधता जल्द ही समाप्त हो जाएगी बिना रुकावट सेवाओं का आनंद लेने के लिए तुरंत रिचार्ज करें
हेलो, अरे मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि ये सोनू नहीं आया है, तो लेके मत आना, मैं आऊँगा तो खा लूँगा। हाँ। नहीं, आज नहीं आएगा, कुछ काम है उसको। हाँ हाँ। We need only one trade, but we need a perfect or good trade as per our setup. See, let me explain you one structure that I can see that in coming days that market will unfold like this, maybe. Okay, how I can tell this? Like, we can see this as ABC. Okay, try to understand my points. Okay, what I am telling you, this is according to rules only. Okay, this is A, B, and this is C. So market completed at this point. This is A, B, and C, and here we can see that market made a high. This is A, and market made B and then C. If market made this ABC, then this is not going to be happen, and after this one more. So this C will go for this, and this will come for this. Okay, this is ABC. So in this we can see that market made one more A, B and C. So this was overall structure for the ABC, ABC, ABC. And now we can see this as ABC, which is coming down. And at this point market try to conflict and try to change many things. Okay, don't worry about this. I am watching it. If breakout will be confirmed, I will just tell you. Okay, I am checking it with another chart. I have many screens. I am opening it and I will confirm you. Okay, don't worry about it. Just focus. So at this point we are taking this as C. So maybe, or we don't know, that if market will go more down, then this C is not ended yet, which we are taking at this point. It can be at this point, or it can also go down. Like how and why? Understand this, that market had made this as 1, this fall as 1, and then made irregular and running correction. Hello bro, Jai Sri Ram. Prince ji, Jai Sri Ram. This as 1, this as 2, okay, and after this the fast move came, which is 3. Okay, we are taking this as 3, and we are taking this as A, and market came again down for the B, and then it will go up for the C, which is 4, and then market again go for the 5 wave, which is downside. Like this market can go. See, why I am telling you this is the very strong logic, because you can see this is 1, 2, and this is 3. This is fast, so this is 3. We did not see any 4 at this point, but market made one high which can be 4. This was irregular and running, so we can take it as 1, 2, and then it can possible that market will make a 4 at this point, and then again go for the downside, which is 5, and it can come at this point or this point, whatever it is. But once 4 will be confirmed, then we can make a projection of this. But still we are waiting that this is 4 or not. So finally the spikes are started coming for the upside. So hope everyone understood my points, that how that market will going to be happen in the coming days. We will see the scenarios step by step, how market is going for the upside, after that downside, step by step, everything we will check. Okay, and it has the major chance that market had confirmed this as 5, or after that market will go up again, matlab continuously going upside only. But for now we will just take it as a conviction, not like a perfect setup. We will track it every day, how it's doing. So after this as 5, after this will complete, the again market will go upside only. So for our larger degree, we are very picture clear for every setup, like where we want to trade. If market will start going above this, then I will simply just going upside and end up this C as here, and 4 as here, and 5 as here. Okay, this is the simple setup. But just anticipating this, that a market has the chances that market will convert like this, and it will change in the future. But we are ready for everything. Whatever market will do, we will ready to accept it. See, at this point, see how market is doing. It's making its structure lower low, lower low. So need to confirm this, that This is very important area. This is very important. If market will break this, then market will go for making of 5. If market taken support at this point, then this 5 will be confirmed at this point only and market will go upside. प्रिंस जी आज बहुत देर आए, रोज तो सुबह सुबह आ जाते थे, आज बहुत लेट हो गया। प्रिंस भाई कितनी बार विंटेज में अकाउंट ओपन करोगे? अकाउंट ओपन कर करके बार बार उसमें अपने खाली तुम नाम बढ़ाए जा रहे हो। कल के दिन में तुमने 3 अटेम्प्ट किए, शायद 3 अटेम्प्ट किए, उसके बाद भी उसमें कुछ भी फंड वगैरह कुछ भी ऐड नहीं किया, खाली अकाउंट ओपन कर करके छोड़ दिए। थोड़ा बाहर था, काम करने लग गया था। ओके, कोई बात नहीं। सी, we are not in any trade, we are just put this, don't take it as a trade, we are waiting for this opportunity to break, then we will go for the trade. I mark this because we are ready to take entry at this point after the breakout, so need to wait. Okay, ब्रो मैं सिर्फ डेमो अकाउंट यूज कर रहा हूँ समझने के लिए। ओके ओके, नो इशू, प्रैक्टिस करते रहो, ठीक है, कोई जल्दी नहीं है, प्रैक्टिस करते रहो। जब आप समझो फॉरेक्स मार्केट किस तरह से काम करता है, उस टाइम पे आप लोग क्या कर सकते हो, ज्वाइन कर सकते हो ग्रुप। तब तक आप आराम से प्रैक्टिस करो, कम से कम लॉट में करो, ठीक है, ज्यादा से मत करो। डेमो अकाउंट है, पैसा ज्यादा मिल रहा है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि ज्यादा से करो, प्रैक्टिकल रह के करो। आपके दिमाग में पता चलना चाहिए कि हम इतना प्रॉफिट करेंगे तो हमारे दिमाग को इनफ लगेगा। अगर आप पहले ही बड़े बड़े प्रॉफिट्स देख लोगे और अपना कैपिटल छोटा सा डालोगे और फिर उससे ट्रेड करोगे तो एट द एंड आप लॉस कर लोगे, क्योंकि आपने बड़े कैपिटल से प्रैक्टिस किया है और छोटे कैपिटल से ट्रेड कर रहे हो। तो जितना आप फंड ऐड करोगे उतने ही कैपिटल से आप ट्रेड करना, डेमो में भी। This is for everyone that if you want to take a trade on forex, just simply open account from my link and do demo trades. Do demo trades for 1 month, 2 month or 6 month, whatever you want. Do with that, and once you are practiced this and made something change with your trading, then you can go with the real money. Till that you can just टेक डेमो ट्रेड्स। 1 लाख यूएसडी को नाइट में सेल करके सोया था भाई, 8 लाख यूएसडी हो गया। ब्रो दिस इज नॉट अ वे, इफ यू आर ट्रेडिंग लाइक दिस you will end up with wipe out your capital. See, you had opened like almost 8 to 9 account. Till that I can understand that you wipe out every account whatever you opened for demo. So practically it is wrong. Do with smallest, that whatever you want to start with your capital. Like if you want to start with $500, so just simply take a trade with $500. Don't go above that. Just simply I can tell you, trade with 0.02 or 0.05 level, maximum 0.05. Don't go about that and be under that only. Yes brother, देखो मैं आपके लिए ही बोल रहा हूँ, क्योंकि देखो मेरे को इतना पता है, आपने अभी तक 7 से 8 बार अकाउंट ओपन किए, मतलब आपने 7 से 8 बार अकाउंट डेमो में ओपन किए। आपने हर अकाउंट को क्या किया है, जीरो किया है या तो लॉस ही किया है, इसीलिए आप नए नए अकाउंट ओपन कर रहे हो। अगर आपका सेम ही अकाउंट होता तो आप उसको ही ग्रो करते रहते, ना कि अकाउंट ओपन करते। तो समझो उस चीज को और कम से कम में करो, ब्रो अभी का बताओ, अभी क्या करना चाहिए? निफ्टी में अभी कुछ नहीं करना है, हम लोग इस ब्रेकआउट का वेट कर रहे हैं। जैसे ही ये ब्रेकआउट होगा ग्रुप में अपडेट आ जाएगा, ठीक है? अभी आपको वेट करना है और आप ये लाइव को ज्वाइन करके रखो। हम लोग यहाँ पे कंफर्म करेंगे कि यहाँ पे ब्रेकआउट हो गया है, उसके बाद हम लोग एक छोटा सा रीटेस्ट देख रहे हैं। रीटेस्ट के बाद में हम लोग एक एंट्री करेंगे, ठीक है? सी समटाइम क्या होता है कि रीटेस्ट इतना छोटा होता है, ऐसे ऊपर जाएगा बट रीटेस्ट यहीं से करके चला जाएगा। कुछ लोग यहाँ पे भी एंट्री ले सकते हो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, बट आपको समझना है कि स्टॉप लॉस हमेशा यहीं पे रहेगा, स्टॉप लॉस चेंज नहीं होगा। आप यहाँ एंट्री लो या यहाँ एंट्री लो या यहाँ एंट्री लो या यहाँ एंट्री लो, स्टॉप लॉस यहीं रहेगा। स्टॉप लॉस विल नॉट चेंज, it can go here, here or here. If this is break, then we will recreate this at from this level. Okay, we will recreate this, nothing will be changed, we will just recreate everything from the new low, whatever we tried at this point. This is our simple logic. पैंतीस की कैपिटल से 8,010 प्रॉफिट हो गया, मुझे क्विट कर देना चाहिए या वेट करके और ट्रेड को देखना चाहिए? ज्वाइन तो करके रखा हूँ भैया। यस आई नो दैट यू आर इन माई ग्रुप, डोंट वरी। जस्ट you made a profit today only in nifty, maybe you done for the downside. From morning we still did not made any entry, we are just waiting for our setup to follow. Okay, you made entry for the downside in the put side. Okay, good that you made the profit with your conviction. People who are joining this live, I want to tell them that I will do live every expiry of nifty. Every expiry of nifty I will do the live for everyone, but I will suggest this, that please make sure that don't wait, don't take a trade on same expiry. Just trade on next expiry and understand the learning, understand the structure. I am not here to give a call put or anything. I am here to teach you the discipline that we need to take as a trader. Many of in a live, maybe they did like 2 to 4 trade till now. In a 1 hour or 2 hour they will punch 2 to 4 trades, but still we did not made any trade. So this is my discipline that I used to follow and that I want you to follow to be a profitable. Once your discipline will come na, your profitability will change for sure. If you are trading too much, you are taking again and again trades and making your profits gone for the same day, this will make you loss. पूरा गेम जो है ना वो साइकोलॉजी का है। अगर आपके साथ, अगर आप अपने साइकोलॉजी को समझते हो, अगर आप उसको हैंडल करते हो, अगर आप उसको एक रास्ता दिखाते हो कि ये रास्ता जो है ये सही है, तो आप उसको चेंज कर पाओगे। अगर आप सोचोगे कि मेरा ऐसा ही है, मैं ऐसा ही करता हूँ और मेरा कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा, मैं ऐसे ही करते रहूंगा तो वो कुछ भी नहीं होगा, बस आप अपने आप को कोसोगे और कुछ नहीं। सो ट्राई टू चेंज योर बैड हैबिट्स। See, still a breakout not happened. So we are good that we did not made any trade at this point. If we can see that this is the sideways kind of zone at here, we can see the sideways kind of zone. This was the sharp rally, but at sudden opening, we can't capture this downside directly because we don't have upside or downside any strict rule or strict view. Because if market started going upside directly, then also we are going to avoid it. Because I mentioned that if market will go for the upside, then also I will go with this A, B, C. Okay, A, B and C. I don't know this is going to happen or not. So I confirm that market will convert, make A. After that, we will wait for B and take entry at this point for the C. So market did not did this. So we are waiting. So we don't know this fall is more going to happen or this is confirmed. But for at the sudden level, you can see that market is taking rejection. So don't know, maybe it will make one more leg for the downside. So simply waiting for it. See, I have very strict rules for my trades. I have very strict rules that I need to follow it. I'm okay to no trade for today. इफ आज मेरे को कोई भी ट्रेड नहीं मिलता है तो मैं एकदम सिंपली बहुत ही खुश हूं, मेरे को कोई भी दिक्कत नहीं है। मैं ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं हूं कि मुझे रिग्रेट होगा कि ये जो डाउन मूव आया था वो मैंने क्यों कैप्चर नहीं किया, ये अप मूव जो आया वो मैंने क्यों कैप्चर नहीं किया। मैं अपने लॉजिक्स के साथ में काफी क्लियर हूं कि यहाँ पे ही करना है, वरना तो सिंपली वेट करना है। देखो, एंजॉय करो और क्या करना है। अगर आप लोग, मैं आपसे इतना मैं बोल सकता हूं, अगर आप मेरे साथ में 3 महीने अगर आप मेरे साथ में अगर बैठ के स्ट्रिक्टली अगर आप मेरे साथ ट्रेड कर लो, मैं आपको बोलता हूं कि चेंज आएगा। वो जो चेंज होगा ना, वो आपका लाइफ लॉन्ग रहेगा। आप इस चीज को बदल भी नहीं पाओगे, आपके लिए लाइफ लॉन्ग हो जाएगा। स्ट्रिक्टली वो चीजें करो जैसे बताया जाता है। अगर ऐसा है स्ट्रक्चर तो वेट करो, तो आप लोग अगर वो करोगे लॉन्ग टर्म में, यू विल सी द वेरी बिग चेंजेस। बिकॉज डिसिप्लिन इज एवरीथिंग। एंड I heard something like trading is boring, trading is not exciting. If you are getting excited with your trades, then you will end up with wiping out your capital, because excitement comes because of short term journey. Who wants long term journey, they always take market as a boring. So for me, this market is very boring. Dharmendra, looking forward to learn more from you. I am ready to invest 6 months with you. Sure, brother. You are welcome. You are welcome to join. You can join my membership. There you can go with everyday live, and I will be sit with you to explain you every logics and discipline. विशाल, फॉर ब्रो फॉर लॉन्ग साइड जाना था तो 403 का लेवल का वेट करे bro, we are not strictly waiting for this. Okay, maybe this for this will break and going for more down, we will wait for again the confirmation only. Whatever low, see, we don't ever chase the reversal. We wait for the breakouts to happen. After that we will go for the reversal, because this reversal can turn for more red also. It can also go till this, because this fifth wave can be till that also. So we are waiting for the confirmation. At this point we will get this as a point, and whatever low market will make, so at that we will take as a Fibonacci level and we will mark it. This is the confirmation for the upside, so I will mark, don't worry about it. We will wait, and in group also I mentioned that I will confirm if up move will be going to happen. Till that we will just simply wait for our setup to trigger. Thank you. I have already lost more than 10 lakh capital. Oh, how can I join your membership? Bro, you can message me on WhatsApp. I will share you the details, and I also mentioned the details on my Telegram. So let me just type here my number so you can message me. This is my number. You can message me on WhatsApp. I will reply. Okay. I will share all the details there. विशाल जी, आपको समझ में आ गया होगा ना, हम लोग यहाँ पे इस पॉइंट को चेज नहीं कर रहे हैं, बट मार्केट ज्यादातर टाइम इस 61% से क्या करता है, रिवर्सल करता है. सो हम लोग इसको एंटिसिपेट कर रहे हैं कि मार्केट अगर यहाँ पे अगर नीचे आती भी है तो इस पॉइंट से एक अपसाइड के लिए जाना शुरू कर सकती है. जब मार्केट यहाँ से ऊपर जाना शुरू करेगी, फिर हम लोग इस पॉइंट को और इस पॉइंट को ऐसे फिबोनाची मार्क करेंगे और वहां से कंफर्मेशन लेंगे 38% ब्रेक का. आफ्टर ब्रेकिंग ऑफ 38% we will go for the upside. Okay, this is our simple plan to execute. Till that we are just thinking that market will break this and we will get the retest opportunity. This is the point for the support, because we can also take it as a leading diagonal. Okay, this is kind of a leading diagonal. It can be 1 2 3 4 and market made this as 5. This is leading diagonal. After that you can see this can be A, B and C, and ABC. After that it will convert to 1 2 and then higher side 4. Okay, 3 4 5. So we are waiting for it, that market will take support at this point, and if break then we will wait for the small downside. After that we are ready to move upside. धर्मेंद्र जी, देखो ऐसा होता है ना कि बहुत सारे लोग लॉस करते हैं. ठीक है, बहुत सारे लोग लॉस करते हैं, बट बहुत सारे लोग कुछ ना कुछ सीखते हैं मार्केट से. लॉस सभी लोग करते हैं, ऐसा नहीं कि किसी ने लॉस नहीं किया या मैंने लॉस नहीं किया, सभी लोग लॉस करते हैं. बट उस लॉस से आपने क्या सीखा ना, वो बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. इफ यू डिड नॉट लर्न एनीथिंग विथ योर लॉसेस एंड जस्ट सिंपली मेकिंग losses, so it's useless. So it's very important to learn from your mistakes and धर्मेंद्र जी, आपका मैसेज आ गया है, मैंने देख लिया है। अपने एक बार फ्री होके बात करेंगे, ठीक है? अभी लाइव चल रहा है, तो लाइव के बाद में मैं आपसे कनेक्ट करता हूँ। Every day we need to be clear on our direction. We need to be clear. I want to discuss with you like one incident, or we can say one story, that one data came that it was like हिंदी में बात करता हूँ इसमें मैं, कि क्योंकि स्टोरी है, मैं उसको अच्छे से मैं बना नहीं पाऊंगा इंग्लिश में। तो नॉर्मली एक स्टोरी ऐसी है कि एक डेटा आया था जिसमें जो प्रॉप फर्म होते हैं, ठीक है, जो लोग पैसे देते हैं लोगों को ट्रेड करने के लिए, तो उनके पास आपका सारा अकाउंट होता है, वो लोग सारे चीज़ें ट्रैक कर रहे होते हैं कि कौन कैसा ट्रेड कर रहा है। तो उसमें ये डेटा था कि ऐसे लोग, जो लोग एक साइड डायरेक्शन को चूज करके रखते हैं, ठीक है, चूज मतलब इन द सेंस एक डायरेक्शन को वो लोग मान करके चलते हैं कि मार्केट इसी डायरेक्शन में जाएगा तो ही मैं ट्रेड लूंगा, वो लोग ज़्यादा प्रॉफिट कर पाते हैं बजाय उन लोगों के जो लोग हर साइड ट्रेड करते हैं। जैसे कि यहाँ पे मार्केट ओपन हुआ, मार्केट डाउन जा रहा है, तो वो लोग डाउन साइड का ट्रेड ले लेंगे, उनको नहीं पता अभी नीचे कहाँ तक जाएगा। उसके बाद वो लोग क्या करेंगे, यहाँ से ऊपर जा रहा है, थोड़ा सा अपसाइड के लिए ले लिए, फिर डाउन साइड के ले लिए, अभी उनको नहीं पता है कि एक्चुअल में ऐसा होने वाला है कि नहीं। तो मार्केट इस तरह से, जो लोग भी ट्रेड करते हैं उन लोग का जो ओवरऑल जो डेटा है वो हमेशा लॉस में रहे हैं। और ऐसे लोग, जो लोग अपना माइंडसेट जो है एकदम क्लियर रखते हैं और क्या बोलते हैं, प्रैक्टिकल व्यू के साथ आते हैं कि आज के दिन में अगर मार्केट इस साइड जाएगा मैं तभी ट्रेड करूंगा, इसके अगेंस्ट में मैं ट्रेड नहीं करूंगा, वो लोग का जो डेटा है उनका ज़्यादा क्लियर निकल के आता है और ज़्यादा ग्रीन में निकल के आता है, वो लोग हमेशा प्रॉफिटेबल रहे हैं। तो एक प्रॉप फंड के मैनेजर, मतलब जो ऑपरेटर था मेन, उसने ये चीज़ें शेयर की थी कि इस तरह से होता है। तो मुझे इस बात से ये समझ में आता है कि हमें जो व्यू है अपना क्लियर रखना चाहिए एक साइड को लेके। दूसरे साइड में अगर मार्केट जा भी रहा है तो हमें क्या करना है, अवॉइड करना है। जैसे कि यहाँ पे अभी मार्केट नीचे जा रहा है, तो मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, अवॉइड कर रहा हूँ कि मुझे नहीं जाना है नीचे, भले मार्केट कितना भी नीचे गिर जाए, मुझे कोई रिग्रेट नहीं होगा मार्केट यहाँ तक आ जाए। अब बहुत सारे लोग होंगे ग्रुप में शायद जिनको रिग्रेट होगा कि भाई लेवल क्यों नहीं दिया, बट ओवरऑल मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर मैं अपने पॉइंट को लेके स्टिक हूँ तो मैं कोई भी ट्रेड नहीं करने वाला और मैं कोई भी लॉस नहीं करने वाला। लेकिन अगर मार्केट मेरे डायरेक्शन में जाती है, लेवल को ब्रेक करती है, रिटेस्ट करती है, तो मुझे एंट्री मिलेगा और मुझे स्टॉप लॉस मिलेगा। स्टॉप लॉस मिलेगा मेरे सेटअप के अकॉर्डिंग, उसके बाद फिर मैं ट्रेड करूंगा और अच्छे प्रॉफिट्स कर पाऊंगा। तो ये वे जो है ये ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिकल है, ना कि हर साइड ट्रेड करना। और एक साइड में ट्रेड करना और एक ही सेटअप पे बार बार ट्रेड करना, ये आपके कन्विक्शन को बढ़ाता है। और देखो, ब्रूस ली ने भी कहा था, मेरे को ऐसे बंदे से डर नहीं लगता जो जिसने हजारों चीजें सीखी हो, मुझे ऐसे बंदे से डर लगता है जिस बंदे ने एक ही चीज को 10,000 बार प्रैक्टिस की हो। तो उसका ये वर्ड था। तो एग्जैक्टली आप उस चीज को समझो कि एक ही चीज को आप जितनी ज्यादा बार प्रैक्टिस करोगे आप उतना ज्यादा उसमें एक्सपर्ट बनते जाओगे। बट आप जितनी ज्यादा चीजें सीखोगे उससे आपका नॉइज बढ़ेगा और उतना ज्यादा आप इम्प्रैक्टिकल होते जाओगे। वो प्रैक्टिकल वे नहीं है ट्रेड करने का। तो आप कहीं ना कहीं लॉन्ग टर्म में आप देखोगे कि आपकी जो सस्टेनेबिलिटी है वो खत्म होते हुए आपको दिखेगी। See, this was the important support that market is trying to take a support at this point. Made a green candle and again came and then again made a green candle, but not able to survive because maybe market will ready to make one more dip, which will we will shift this 4, okay, and this as 5 for the downside, which we anticipated before. So we are seeing that market will come for the more one down move and then go for the upside, and this mark we will change once new low will be made, then we will change this box. Okay, just a simple logic. Yesterday gold was just simply sideways, very sideways, and I gave the direction in the group, which was like range bound kind of market. After that, today same level market gone for the upside. So I mark this level from the bottom, that this is 4, this is 5. So from this point only I mentioned in the group that market will go for the upside, and this is the last leg. Okay, this is just the last leg in the for the up move. Like this you can see this 1, this has 2, okay, this has 2, and this is fast, which is 4, and this is 5, which I made a box with 4, and this is 5. Okay, this 5 is last for the gold, and I can minimize this as 4 5. And once this 5 is completed at this point and this point, and it will start falling. Okay, this is the fall where we can see the market will come at least 10% down. See, I normally I will not make a view for the gold in this live, but I made today because I am doing this today for public. So publicly I am sharing, so I can make this. But for daily I don't made this gold analysis. I'm just sharing my view for the gold. So from exactly that point only, gold made a reversal and going upside. I made analysis for many things like crude oil also I shared yesterday only. This one I shared in the group, that market is straight making the structure as A, B, and this is C. And after this C confirm, then market will start falling for the downside as a this. And this will be our buying level for the more high. This will be the up move. Okay, normally you can take this as a retest. Okay, you can check this resistance, this resistance. Again market made a resistance at this level, and once it broken, market is coming for the retest. After this retest, it's ready to fly. Okay, so very simple. And in the natural gas, see, in natural gas also I made this ABC. Actually I am not taking trade in crude oil or natural gas, but I used to update for my groups. So this is the ABC where market confirm some more down move is pending in a natural gas. Once it's done, we will see this up move. Okay, this is our 1 minute time frame chart. See, it's 11 o'clock that we are still waiting for our setup to execute, but we did not got any trade. Like this only I used to mention that trading is very boring job. Okay, so for this only I am mentioning that this trading is boring, because it used to take too much time to give you any trade or confirm your trades. You need to wait for your setup. Which platform you are using to take trade in commodity? See, I don't trade commodity. In gold, silver, if I am trading in ETF. Okay, for the investment purpose. And for trading, I used to trade on Vantage, which is forex broker, which is global broker. In that, I used to do trading for intraday, like Bitcoin, gold, silver, Ethereum, and US oil, many things. So like this I divided. I don't do commodities because I don't do much in options, so I avoid commodities. I used to do this with ETFs. If I am sure with anything, I have the conviction to buy it, so I will buy it for the long term purpose, long term, not swing purpose, to hold it for some days. So I used to buy it for ETF, and for intraday I used to do in global market. You can message me. I know you are from my group. You can message me on WhatsApp. I will share you the link for the forex broker, and I will also add you in my group. So whatever the criteria is, I will explain you on WhatsApp. Just message me, okay? So as we discussed this before only, that market is creating this 4, and if not break, then this will be the 4, and then again market is going, which is 5. Okay, so we are seeing this as a 5, and after this once market will come below this, then confirm that this is the 5, and after this we will see this kind of structure in the bottom, and then we'll go up directly. Okay, like this, like this you will see creating a bottom, because it's tried to get sustained from the lower level, because he did not have any support at this point. We are making this support with my Fibonacci levels. Welcome. So we can understand this is our structure to follow for the upside. The zigzag is our consolidation to for the execution. This higher high need to be formed so that we can get convicted at our points for the higher targets. If market is making low and low, then probability is less. Also, one more thing I can confirm you for just for the confirmation. See, if market will make low at this point, then we will just mark this. See, this is the point, or this is the point to break. If this point is break for the upside, then we will start moving upside. This is the POC level, need to break and retest to go upside. And third thing is our RSI. See the RSI, you can see divergent coming. See, market will drop down and this will be staying up only. So after this we can see the diversion in the market and the RSI. So after this we can go again upside. So this is some confirmation which I used to take with my trade for the conviction, with more confidence, for more uh, I am hoping that everyone used to do work with home only, because maybe some of you only maybe doing jobs, because you are watching the live. So I am expecting it that you are not on job. कल वाला ट्रैप कैंडल याद है कि नहीं? ये ट्रैप काइंड ऑफ कैंडल लग रहा है। मार्केट को इसका हाई ब्रेक करना काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है। हाई ब्रेक करेगा तो मे भी कंफर्म करेगा कि फिर से अपसाइड जाने के लिए। जॉब, ओके, यू आर वाचिंग इट फ्रॉम जॉब। मे बी योर बॉस इज टू फ्रेंडली। or you are doing very something free job where you are getting a good time to do social things. जो लोग भी जॉब करते हैं ना, उन लोग के लिए फॉरेक्स मार्केट काफ़ी सही है। वहाँ पे थोड़ा क्या है कि आपको फ्री टाइम में, जब भी आप फ्री होते हो तब आप ट्रेड कर सकते हो। वहाँ पे सिंपल स्ट्रिक्ट एसएल लगा सकते हो, स्ट्रिक्ट टारगेट लगा सकते हो। आप इस तरह से उसको मैनेज कर सकते हो। सो काफ़ी अच्छा है। अगर आप लोग जॉब कर रहे हो तो फॉरेक्स मार्केट को भी ध्यान में रख सकते हो। ठीक है। See, this was the trap candle which market made. We discussed this yesterday that market used to create this kind of candle in the middle of market. So above this going is very important. If market manage to go above this, then probably it will go for the upside. Not confirm, but according to candle, this need to break. Today I will do live till 12 12 a.m. AM or PM, what we can say at exactly 12, or we can say like 11:59 a.m. Okay, we are live till that. Okay, just message me if you have any doubts. I will clear. Just take it simple that you have the option there that you can trade with minimum. Okay, trade with minimum, like you can also start with 10,000. You are starting with 10,000, then you have the option that you can choose minimum lot like 0.01 lot. In that you can fix your stop loss for the $10 only, which is 900. So maximum stop loss for your trade will be 900. You have to fix it in your stop loss, and after that you can also punch your order for the targets. Everything is very managed in the forex. Just you need to go with very small for the initial period. Once you are getting and understanding the everything in the forex market, you can scale. But for the initial, you can start with very minimal, so you can sustain the market. Because understanding their points, understanding how market is reacting in a global, uh, when market opens and when closes, so everything need to be know. So just google it if you are having any doubts, or you can ask me, I will clear your doubts and you can start. If you have any like 1 hour free time where you can trade, then you are good to go. Prasant Buddhi, hello Deepak, how to join your membership? Bro, just simply message me on WhatsApp. I will share you the details, and then you can take a decision accordingly. Okay, just message me on this WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp. Okay, I will message you regarding same. Yes, sure. You can go. See, many are commented yesterday that they are not ready for the fall on the gold. Okay, that market will not fall according to your Elliott wave cycle. So I want to explain them one thing. Whoever are in our group live, they can understand this point, that if we are anticipating anything, okay, like we are thinking that this is A and market will confirm this as B and this is C, so this will happen for sure, but just it can go this. Okay, so what I want to tell, uh this is not this one. At this point I can explain. Okay, see, I am anticipating this as this is the WXY, which is I marked. Okay, let me highlight this. I mark this as WXY. So it's keep on changing. Before I mentioned this as WXY. Okay, but market went more up. So I recalculated my everything and made this. Okay, so I made this analysis just that market fall at this point and taken support and went up. So at this point also I was ready to take a trade for the upside. Okay, I am not here that I am seeing that market will go directly more down. I am ready to buy at this point, but this not happen. So I just uh, put my analysis that I failed and I did the changes in my WXY which I made at this point, which is WXY, and here we will see the rejection, and once Y will be completed, after that we will see again one more upside. We are not doing this, this is the last fall, and after this market will just go down. After this we will see the up move, and then again we will see the down move. This will be the final up. Okay, this is the final up where market will go, and then we will see the at least the correction of which is very big ABC, this A, B and C, like this at this point. Okay, at this kind of certain level market will come from 3000 to 2700 level, market will come and then it will go up again. This is big ABC. Okay, this was the big impulse and this is the big ABC which is going to happen. You will not understand this, you will not what I can say, you will not trust this because you don't know this. If once you will start knowing this process, how structure is developing, and you can see at the same time you will see some news will come and you will trust that news. Okay, you will not trust my analysis that I made this analysis today itself that market will do this and this. You will accept this, that kind of news when it will come. Okay, you will see that Trump will say that gold is not a good asset to hold for the longer run, and then it will start falling. But at the same time when news will come, you know that Trump is just a path to give him the direction that gold will fall, because he also know that gold is ready to fall. When it will fall, when he will do something like something instruction that which will be more reacting to the market, will be which will create a more liquidity in the market. So after that gold will fall. So this kind of news come in this kind of structure. When they knows that it is ready to fall, they will instruct anything, something like that. So you will believe that news is working. But at the end, I know if structure is at the end and market will start going upside for the faster, then this is my structure, this is not a news. I'm simply following my structure. This is the place where many of people are lagging. They are always finding the news to trade anything, or they are very knowledgeless. Okay, they don't have any knowledge to do with their technicals. They don't know the technicals. They are only believing the news is whatever is coming. If news is right or wrong, structure will work whatever it's want. Structure will not unfold according to your news will do according to structure. Or I can simply on my WhatsApp where I put my number. Okay, you can see my number at this point. Okay, at this point you can see my number showing. So let me delete this. Okay, I made on my number. I put my number everywhere, you can check. On threads I have link. I on Telegram also I shared the link. Yesterday also I shared. See, I also have some strategy for the option buyers, and the strategy is very clear and very good. You can go for it, but we will discuss this very slowly. Okay, the strategy is very simple and very clear. I will explain you and discuss with you later. Option buying strategy, and you don't need to get keep watching the market. You just need to track that option premium. Okay, you don't need to worry about what market is doing. The strategy is very clear that it will come with, like, you have to watch the call put only. So once the structure is developing, you will get to know, and then you can go for the trade. And that strategy come with you have to work with same expiry, sorry, monthly expiry only.
Unknown caller.
हेलो, हाँ, घर पे ही आके देना है। कहाँ पे हो? मैं आता हूँ, हाँ, 2 मिनट में। कहाँ पे हो आप? Sorry, my parcel came, so I went for this. I received my parcel. So still looks like our structure is, you are talking about strategy for option buyers. Can you please talk about it till making market give some movement? Yeah, I will discuss, but I will discuss with my members. Okay, you, I know you are in our group and you are the member, but we will discuss it because the my option buying strategy is very precious for me. Okay, I don't want to educate it publicly. It's very important and very rule based, and if you are working on it and for the long term and you are making any change, uh, for that, this is the best strategy. You can go for it. You know, you can understand maybe like something is, if anything is precious to you, you can't tell to anyone, not can't explain everyone. Okay, you can tell some people which are premium for you, but you can't explain to everyone, because then it will stop working. For longer run it will stop working, so it will loss for me. So I need to make it clear that something is need to be hidden only, so it can work. So I used to make a trade according to that also for naked, but I always trade naked position with 1 or 2 lot only, because I know the risk, whatever the strategy will be, but I know the risk. So I used to trade with 1 to 2 lot with naked if I am going with that strategy. Normally I do hedge with whatever I want. See, you can see this market is very dull. Okay, this market is not like that you need to trade. This is the market which you can simply wait and watch. This is not a very good market. Movement is very sideways. You can see the structure, how it's moving. Probably like 10 to 15 points movement in a premium. Don't know about the same expiry, but I am watching the next expiry, which is like from 41 to it came to 51, and this fall came from 70 to 142, means like 30 points here and 10 points here. And this fall was good, but this was unexpected. We don't know that this is going to happen. So overall we can consider this as a range market, because if this was good market, then it need to give move like this. Like yesterday it's going sideways. So yesterday the market was almost sideways only. So current scenario is same as yesterday. I was thinking that we will get a good opportunity to confirm the trade, so that people will make benefit of this. So that's why I planned the live today, but something got changed, which I explained you very well. No issue. Next expiry maybe something got happen, so I can make you something good for you. But I am expecting that this is something which you are seeing the change in your, like I am explaining you many things, like you need to follow how you used to go for the longer run, then how you used to manage your trades. Everything I used to I am telling you. So this is the important thing that you need to learn and understand, because anyone can give you this trade. See, anyone can tell you that market will go from at this point to this point, but from at this point to this point, how you are going to manage it, what the process will be, and what your mindset need to be, and how you are going to hold that, because you don't know the structure or know the structure. So that is the main condition which comes in the room, and this is the condition by which people get loose. People who don't have the system also, they are more in a hole, means मतलब और ज़्यादा उनका बुरा हाल है. ठीक है, उनका और ज़्यादा बुरा हाल है कि उनके पास कोई सिस्टम ही नहीं है. प्रोसेस तो है ही नहीं और सिस्टम भी नहीं है। तो हमारे पास क्या है, हमारे पास दोनों है, एक हमारे पास सिस्टम है, एक हमारे पास प्रोसेस है। कि पहले सिस्टम बनाया गया है, सिस्टम को कैसे फॉलो करना है उसका एक प्रोसेस है। तो उस चीज को हम करके हम एक अच्छे जगह पे जा सकते हैं। टूटी हुई नाव में अगर हम लोग बैठेंगे तो वो पानी में डूबेगा ही। हमारे पास एक फिक्स बोट होना चाहिए जो हमें इस पार से उस पार लेके जा सके। सिंपल। एंड take it trading as a full time job. Okay, don't take it trading as a part time. Like initially if you are doing anything job, then you can go for the part time, like you can do on free time. But do study, do as much as you can, go for the harder. Then if you are going hard, then you will be good for the longer time. Otherwise you will end up with short time, very very short time. Many people come with 1 lakh capital. They think that we will make this 1 lakh to the 10 lakh rupees, but in very short time they understand the reality of the market. They get to know that they are not going to make any money, they are going to just make losses only. On 3 to 5 years you will practicing, and then only you will know the real trading is, how you can manage it. But at starting, if you are getting any guidance, just make sure that you can make a full use of that. Bro, tell me the today setup finally before closing the live. Okay bro, the same thing I am waiting to confirm in a group also. Okay, so this is our final setup, that market is need to break out. Okay, after this breakout we will see a small retest which is at this place also. After this we can simply take the entry, and this will be our stop loss. This is our simple setup to follow for the this as a target. This will be our smallest target and the minimum target, and once this will achieve, market will go for more target. Okay, maybe this fall, this gap will be filled. Okay, after this gap filling, market will come for the retest like this. Okay, like this retest once done, then again we will ready to move more high. Okay, then this can touch to this point also, but at initial point I can confirm this point as a resistance. Okay, this point will act as a resistance. Here you can go for the target. This is our setup, very simple setup, and I will update this on group also, so don't worry. Just I am waiting for a breakout to happen, because if I will update this just now, then people will start buying from the lower level. But I will share this setup. Okay, this breakout is very important. This is our first target. I'm deleting this line for now, we will see it later. And this is our second target. We are not in any trade right now, we are just waiting for it. Okay, breakout is very important. So let me delete this again, so that people who are joining just now, they will not get manipulated by my green and red that we are in a trade. So we are not in any trade, waiting for the breakout. RV Balag, did you understand the setup? If not, you can ask me, I will explain one more time. Understand? Okay. And while taking and breakout and taking entry at this point, we will follow this as stop loss. This is our clear stop loss. We will not take this as stop loss because I know this is the range overall, but we can take re-entry. We can't take holding it, because if you are holding this, you will hold this too, because this move can be till this. So we will take exit at this point and we will see the bottom. If confirm, then we will take re-entry again. Once the breakout and retest done, we will take entry. Yes, brother, on retest we will take entry. I already explained everyone that this is what we are expecting, that market will do something like this. Then you can see this is the structure where we can see this impulse. This will we will take as impulse move. Okay, this we will take as impulse move as a 1 2 3 4 as a 5. So here we will confirm our 5, which is A, and we will take this, whatever it is, it will we will take this as B, and then go for the C will be for the higher targets. So like this we are moving upside, but we are waiting for the bottom to create. For bottom also I mentioned that market can also make this as 4 5, and market can also make another low after making the high, and here we will confirm our B. If market break this level and going again up, then we will confirm this as B. This is the not this not means that we will miss this move. We will capture this move also, this move also, everything we will capture, but it's just a process. I also have the plan for the 10 years, 20 years. I have plan for everything. I made analysis for everything, but we don't share to anyone, because I know this will happen, but everything is on the step. So you can see this my analysis from the start point. Start point means from very start I made an analysis, and here we will confirm our projection. After that also I know, but I will wait for this to confirm. After this completing, then we will see whatever it goes. So we made everything, but it's on step. And for this, some idiots come and just copy and just post, and they know that they know everything. But on practical basis, if they come for the live market, they don't know anything. They just simply try to be someone, but they are not someone. For this, you need to learn and you need to get practice on that. If you are getting good practice, then you will able to make it. वो क्या नाम था उसका, बाजार इंसाइडर, that bazaar insider I am talking about. He is copying me every day means every day. And once I exposed him, then now you can see his post is giving different from me. He's trying to different from me. Whatever analysis I used to do, he is trying to different from me. And I started giving the captions, so he also started now giving captions for the whole. Before I used to do just like this day view, and he also doing same copy and same doing things. Nothing hate about anyone that he's doing right or wrong, but just want tell them that if you are copying, be a person that you have the knowledge to influence or teach anyone. If you are teaching also but you are copying someone, then this is not fair. भाई हिंदी में क्यों नहीं करते बात? देखो भाई ऐसा है ना कि मेरे को हिंदी में बहुत ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल है बोलने में. मैं हिंदी बोलना चाहता हूँ, बट मेरी जो ऑडियंस है ना वो इंग्लिश वाली है. तो इंग्लिश वाली ऑडियंस होने की वजह से मुझे इंग्लिश में बात करना पड़ता है. हिंदी वाले लोग क्या है कि इंग्लिश समझ सकते हैं, बट जो इंग्लिश वाले लोग हैं वो लोग हिंदी इतना अच्छे से नहीं समझ सकते. इसीलिए मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ कि इंग्लिश में ही कर रहा हूँ, ताकि उन लोगों को दिक्कत ना हो. जैसी ऑडियंस मेरी बनी है, मेरे को वो ध्यान में रखते हुए मेरे को करना पड़ेगा. और एक्चुअल में मैं कंफर्टेबल नहीं हूँ, ठीक है, इंग्लिश बोलने में मैं कंफर्टेबल नहीं हूँ, बट फिर भी मुझे करना पड़ रहा है. और मेरी इंग्लिश इतनी अच्छी भी नहीं है, कभी मैंने बोला नहीं है, लेकिन अभी क्या है कि लाइव में मेरे को मैनेज करना पड़ रहा है. टूटी फूटी ही सही, बट करना है. जी भाई. See, it's 12 o'clock now, so I am closing my live. So for public live, I will do on next Tuesday, okay, on next Nifty expiry. So if you want to join my group, you can join. There I used to do daily lives, so you will get better understanding or knowledge or learnings or trades. Everything will be better there. So you can join, and see you next week. So bye everyone.